the 3 elements of a successful team building and synergy session. Number 1, the design. The team building is not just a vacation. It can be a solution to an organizational need if the team building design is formulated well. A well-crafted synergy design aims to address the performance gap and strengthen company culture.
Number 2, the facilitator. Aside from the platform skills, the facilitator should know how to process the activity and to spot a learning moment opportunity. An effective team building is not about the speaker, it's about the participants who are experiencing the learning. An effective facilitator should bring out the best in us.
Number 3, the experience. To create a great team building experience, execution from the details from the beginning to the end is a must. And lastly, don't forget the fun.